Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 50. Which of the following is a pure semiconductor? A. Silicon, B. Phosphorus, C. Transistor, D. Carbon. So we are asked for which one amongst the options is a pure semiconductor. Now, a semiconductor is a material, or semiconductors are materials which have an electric conductivity intermediate in value between that of a pure metal, which is a good conductor, and that of a good insulator. So a semiconductor is any material which has an electric conductivity value between that of a good conductor and good insulator. And examples of pure semiconductors include silicon and germanium. So these are the two major examples of pure semiconductors. So we mentioned silicon. So option A is silicon, which is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.